a new unicorn design we've been working on. Now, what is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink? Awesome.
Well, sometimes red.
Okay, we'll definitely get some pink and some red in there today, okay? And I just have a petal sponge, and any time that you squeeze your sponge, it's going to make more paint come out faster. So now we've got some unicorn eye makeup all ready. Then I like to use Star Blends just because I can go over it immediately with other colors. And the ears I like to do is we just do a triangle at the top and then a little knob that's going in towards the center of the forehead. I like to add a little bit of the white on the cheekbone. So for the horn, we're gonna go right here in the middle and we are just gonna do this nice little wave, and then we're gonna come and wave again. And we're making those waves just a little bit bigger as we go down. So I'm using a goldenrod yellow, a hot pink, and a white, and the white kind of turns into a creamy yellow. And I've just got a light pink and a dark pink loaded on my brush. So I come over to the side, and then over on this side, right by the eye, big swatch. And then I like to do kind of 3. And you can do this with a round brush or you can do it with a square brush, either way. And we're gonna add some little leaves. So you can go in either direction, trying to keep odd numbers if I can, but it's not that important. So let's do some outlining next. So we're gonna start with this little bulge and we're gonna bring it back in. And then we're gonna bring the ear down, and that's the back of the ear and then kind of the inside of the ear right there. Bring the ear down, open the ear over here, and then the back of the ear right there. And we're just gonna put in. If it's an older kid, you can add that extra little bit. It's gonna elongate the eye and make it look more fantasy. If it's a small kid, I usually wouldn't do that part because it can make their eyes water. Okay, now I'm getting my really small liner brush and we're gonna add some details. We're just curving around and around and around. And it gives us that beautiful rose. I like to keep my white in my hand when I'm doing this because I want to have really crisp white. Come in here at the base of the eye and add our little dots, and then add some little dots here. And we do some sparkle stars. Now I like to bring a little bit of a light pink, and you can do this before you do the outlining or after, either way. Then of course we can apply the loose glitter. Okay, now chunky glitter is super fun on this design. So I like to grab the crystal color because I feel like it matches the unicorn flavor really well. You can get lip gloss at any beauty supply store, and then you can just take one of your paint brushes and sanitize it, and I'm gonna squeeze some lip gloss right onto the tip. You just take that lip gloss and you just apply it on, and it's okay to go kind of liberal. And because that lip gloss is so sticky, it will only stick where that lip gloss is, and it gives you the perfect shape of your lips.